Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how we heat our home. We have an outdoor wood stove. They also call it outdoor wood boilers. And all this wood is going to get us through the winter. And it heats not only our home, but our pole barn. It's a very, very big stove. And we also have wood inside. So this is my home, and this is the view from our backyard. I just wanted to share with you that this is how we heat. And this year, I'm kind of really grateful that we heat our home with wood, because the price of things, it just gives us an amazing savings. So here John is, he's opening up the barn door. We're just opening up the back of the stove, making sure all the switches are in order, checking our valves, and then I'm gonna run downstairs. I fill the water in the house. Like, I have a switch in the house that sends water to the stove because it's circulated, the water is circulated to heat both the house and the barn. So we're just going over everything here. And there's nothing like a little bit of fun when you're working. And in the next clip, you're going to see our kitty cat, Iroh. And enjoy the next few minutes, because there's got to be play with work, right? What you doing? What you doing? There he is. I hope you enjoyed my little happy kitty. All right, now back to work. So the stove is ready. Boiler is filled with water. I'm bringing the matches outside to the woodshed, and we're gonna light the fire. So John's already waiting for me, stuffing it a little bit more with some paper. We've been filling it for a while, getting it ready for today, actually. So we got paper on the bottom. We got small twigs, larger logs. He likes to light it with a torch. We didn't have any propane for that torch, so we're just using old school matches. And here we are. It is lighting up very, very nicely. Temperature is going to get to 55 degrees very quickly, heated to 50, but the projected perfect temperature is his 170. So here we are. We shut the door, and this is it fired up. You hear that? It's a good roar. And now, like I said, we're starting with a degree of 55. We're gonna get up to 170. And now It's later on that night. We are at 170. We're going to open up the stove. We're going to stoke the fire, add a couple more pieces of wood, and it will get us through till the morning. So we fill it in the morning and we fill it in the evening. And like I said, it heats both our house and our pole barn. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay warm this year. Have a great day, and we will see you all real soon. Bye.